The Noise Factory. We are now at Galaxy, and Miumi's moon, who will using the noises with the noise machine. She also invented a game that's called What Makes This Sound. You listen to all of the noises, then you look all around, and when you find the thing that would sound just the same point, you can hear it, and then you've won the game. Miumi will make a sound. Find the thing that makes the same sound.
Good job. You found the bird. Good job. You found the train. Good job. You found the cab. Good job. You found the bubbles. Good job. You found the plane. Good job. You found the cow. I think you're such a good listener that you deserve a speaker to your office. Remember to visit the office or options to see all of your achievements. If you want to use another activity, click on the train side. Is that you leaving? Okay. Come back to see me again next time.